How's the Moasure going, Jack?
Fucking sick. Look at this.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm just going off.
Did you buy this Moasure because the Wood Bully advertised it?
Fuck no. Fuck no. It's their own ad, baby.
This is going good. We're crushing it, Jack.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna be fucking. We're gonna crush this. So one of the reasons we're doing this is to keep the HVB clean. We don't want to mix it, and we got nowhere to dump on this site. It isn't dirt and shit, so we're leaving it in the truck, and we're gonna fucking keep this HVB clean and get it on top of this 3/4. Got Jack with the Moasure taking the shots, making sure everything is fucking money.
Check this out. Look how clean it is.
That is sick.
It is so cool.
This is a pretty handy tool for what, like 700 bucks?
Yeah, it's like 700 bucks, no subscription.
Fuck, it's pretty sick.
It's so sick.
That's wild, eh?
So it's giving me the perimeter right now. And when I'm done, it'll give me the area of the whole thing.
And then we can invoice, motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
That's what we'll get, some accurate invoicing out of this fucking Moasure.
Exactly. We got that.
We think this area is about 6,000 square feet. So we got till Friday to get this shit done, 6,000 square feet. We got Jack with the accurate billing. We are blocking the sidewalk, but I guess we better make sure we don't drive ahead with the box up. That would be make for a shitty day. Got lots of guys on the grade down below. We got people on the big packer packing. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good fucking day. Guys got the irrigation sleeve in that was missing. They buried one of our irrigation sleeves, broke it.